1968 Solex 3800 or 3800, whichever way you'd like to say it. Reasonable condition. A few things just to point out: the mudguard has been cut at the back, the pedals are missing on both sides. Could have been because this model may have been used in a race, which was quite popular in France. There was a number of these models used for racing, particularly because of the performance and speed that they could get up to. The throttle on this one is operated using the twist grip, which is a nice little feature. Brakes are all working as they should be. Another item that we should mention is the decompressor lever is missing. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my YouTube channel.